If you're looking for the best hex keys under $50, then you've likely come across the Wera 950s. I've been using them on my mountain bike for months now, and today I am going to tell you if they're actually worth your money. So to start, this is a really comprehensive hex key set. You have a 10mm, a 8mm, a 6mm, a 5mm, a 4mm, a 3mm, 2.5mm, 2mm, and then a 1.5mm. And then it also comes in this nice little case for carrying all of them, and it just keeps them all very nice and organized. So to start with the hex keys that come in the set that I personally don't really use is going to be the 10 and then the 1.5mm. The 10 is affectionately called the hammer, and you kind of use it to bang stuff because I haven't had anything that is a 10mm on my bike. And then the 1.5 I use kind of as like a poke tool to pick different things out, like the safety on your Shimano cranks. So that is what I use that for. And then the 8 and the 6 both have pretty good leverage for cracking your pedals loose. I've got all my pedals cracked loose with them with no problem. And then overall they are just a really good build quality. If you're enjoying this video so far, I'd really appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe down below. We have more gear review videos coming and some very epic trips as well. If you want to pick up these hex keys, the link is in the video description down below. The pros for these is that the build quality is really good. They've got this nice coating on them, and it's actually kind of grippy and fits nice in your hand, feels nice. And they also have ball ends on there. So for the ball end, what you do is it's to get the bolt most of the way tight. So if it's a hard to reach area, you can twist it in there, and then you just use the normal end to tighten it down, so that way you don't strip anything. They seem like they're going to last a pretty long time. I've been using mine for almost 8 months, and you don't really see any signs of wear on them. The coating is still on there, so I think they're a really good set of hex keys. The cons, they are almost $50. You can get much cheaper sets of hex keys, like even at a Lowe's or a Home Depot, but they're just not going to be as good quality, and they're definitely not going to be specific for bikes. Without being as high quality, you can strip your bolts more easily, so you need the precision that a higher quality of hex keys is going to get you. If your budget for a set of hex keys is $50, I would definitely recommend getting the Wera 950s. It is a great hex tool and is a great Christmas or birthday present for any mountain bikers in your life. And I'll leave a link down in the description down below where you can go and purchase them. And until next time, don't forget to go find your epic.